Look, it's driving. Okay. Yo, what is up, guys? You know what you're looking at behind me? Absolutely nothing but an empty lift. We were able to roll the 2.5RS off the lift in today's video. If you guys want to see how I was able to do that, make sure to stay tuned and let's get right into building this frame. So we're going to be speed running this frame build. I already have the two dollies lined up exactly where they belong compared to the front, so we have the exact same wheelbase. I've already marked them with my permanent marker. I'll do the other side really quick. We'll get to cutting this and put it together. All right, that should be really good. Go cut these holes. If you guys are enjoying this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. We're going to be completely restoring this car. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos about the 2.5RS, make sure to go check those out. But what I'm going to do right now is show you guys a quick little look at the frame that I just built for the rear end. It's a little bit different, pretty similar to the front. I just did this a lot quicker and wanted to show you guys what we're working with. So I did tap into bolts here, and I kind of put a center bar to reinforce it because we used something different for the exterior. I was running out of scrap metal. You can see the base is a little wider here because it actually hits both sides of the dolly, and that's good, so it's going to be a little stronger. We did use stronger long L's for the entire width, but you can just see how that looks in there. Take a look at that. It's mounted right where the rear subframe would go. I did have to use a custom bolt here because if you remember, that bolt broke while we removed the subframe, and that didn't break. The nut that was welded to the frame inside snapped, so we had to cut the bolt off, and that is actually threaded into the frame. I mean, that's just the best we could do for right now. We're gonna fix that better later. But check out these welds, how much better they got as I went. I really had a better run at it the second time here. But this should be well strong enough because the front held up and this is actually a little bit stronger. So without wasting any more time, you guys got a good look at it. It's up in the air a little bit. It's as even as it can get. We're just gonna go ahead and weld this all together. I am gonna add 2 diagonals just to add some structure. And then I'm gonna run one across the length from dolly to dolly from front to back. Let's go ahead and get this welded up and then we'll see if this will hold. Alright, so we have the entire frame welded up for the rear, and this is going to be the first time we lift it up in the air on the frame to see if it will actually hold. the car with no issues. So without wasting any time, I'm gonna set up the camera and we're going to drop it down and we're gonna see what we get. Now what we do is we lift the car, and as we lift, it should set down on the rolling frame. Perfect. I didn't see the car move at all. It looked like the frame held it really nice. Now I do have to finish some welds over here, but the welder couldn't reach this spot and it was getting a little messy. It's getting late here at night and I'm gonna have to come back here tomorrow to clean up and see if we can get this thing off the lift. So let's go ahead and just lift it a little bit more and see what we get. Oh yeah, it is so secure. I'll go ahead and show you guys what I mean. So before, while I was working on the car, it was rocking all over the place, but look, I mean, this thing, I swear, this thing, I'm shaking it pretty good. The whole lift is moving before it even rocks at all. This frame is gonna be super solid, but like I said, it's pretty late at night. I'll go ahead and show you guys what time it is, just to show you how willing I am to grind on this thing to get it done. Check this out. That's 1:44 a.m. Look, we got the back frame done. All we got to do tomorrow is try and clean up everything in our way, straighten up all of this because I have a lot of tools out. I want to sweep, get those jack stands out. We got to bring it up all the way over the jack stands, but I'm guessing that this is going to hold with no issue, but we're going to have to wait until tomorrow morning to figure it out. My son's got a doctor's appointment first thing in the morning, but we're going to go ahead and see if this thing will lift up. Whoa, look at this spider, bro. Yo, he's massive. Bro's massive. He didn't even care about the camera. Yo, for real, I was gonna show you guys how dark it is outside. Yeah, you get the picture, it's late. All right, guys, that's it for tonight. Let's go ahead and pick this thing back up tomorrow when it's daytime and we can roll this off the lift. Let's go. All right, here we go, moment of truth. Yep. We're rolling good. I'm on my side perfectly. I'm not going off the lift at all. Oh, you know what we're gonna have a problem with? What? There's a big hole. Where's the big hole? Shoot! I need to put this plate. No. We're gonna put this in there. It'll roll right over this, and then it'll tilt it down. Hopefully, maybe we should go back and get it under the wheel more so it doesn't like fold it up when it hits the ramp, so then the back wheel can...
Compass? No. Nope. Ready?
Yeah. Hold on. I'm over on one wheel. Let's go. Come on. Oh yeah, looks like I'm over on both wheels. We're good. All right, it's gonna hit the ramp here in a second. Just watch the back.
I'm watching my side. I'm watching my side.
All right, that's it. I'm on the ground. All right. Let me move my camera real quick. All right, let's do it. All right, ready? I should have put like a sequence on those ramps or something.
Run the ramps. Lift those up.
There. Wait. Oh, wait. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. We're over. Oh yeah. That's it. Pushing that thing? Look, it's driving. Okay. Thumbnail with it out with the yard back. Yeah, it's probably pretty good right there. You know what, I do have to come forward about another foot. Alright, let's see right there. Really isn't that difficult to push either.
This clip is a preview of what's going to be upcoming in my next Subaru Saturday. It's time to start knocking down the rust. Now that we have the car outside of the barn, I can really dive into sandblasting without worrying about the mess that comes along with it. We are getting closer and closer to start fixing the major rust issues on the car, and it's never been more exciting. After all the rust is fixed and the car is stripped down to bare metal, it'll be time to think about paint, and that leads me to ask you guys, what color should I paint the 2.5RS? Should we go back OEM or do something crazy like Rally Blue? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear what you guys think.
Alright everybody, that's it for this week's Subaru Saturday. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It helps my channel grow. We're going to be making some serious strides on the 2.5RS, and I'm super pumped about it. Getting it off the lift was a huge step. We're there. It's time to start making some more progress. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to catch you guys next week for Subaru Saturday. Peace out.